Hi friends, good morning. Today let us see some more problems in binomial expansion. See, our first problem today is the coefficient of x power 99. The coefficient of x power 99 in the product x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into so on up to x minus 100. The coefficient of x power 99. Friends, if this product is multiplied, the coefficient of x power 100 we know. 100 times x is multiplied. X is multiplied 100 times. So the coefficient of x power 100 that is 1. But we want the coefficient of x power 99. Let us see what happens. If you multiply two terms, if we multiply two terms, or first you take one term, x minus 1. You are taking one term, then the coefficient of x power 0. This can be written as x minus x power 0 into 1 or 1 into x power 0. 1 into x power 0. If you take one term, x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x power 0. So, if you take one term, the coefficient of 1 minus 1, x power 0 is 1. Let us multiply two terms, x minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into x minus 2. Friends, this is equal to x square minus x minus 2x minus 3x plus 2. Here we are taking two terms, product of two terms. If you take two terms, then the coefficient of x power 1, that is 2 minus 1. X power 1 is minus 3. Minus 3. If you take one term, the coefficient is minus 1. If you take only one term, the coefficient is minus 1. If you take two terms, if you multiply two terms, the coefficient is minus 3. Minus 3. Let us take three terms. X square minus 3x plus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 3. This is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square minus 3 into x square again minus 3x square. Rest of the terms are not necessary for us. This is equal to x cube minus 6x square. If you take three terms, the coefficient of x power 2. If you take three terms, the coefficient of x power 2 is minus 6. Minus 6. See how the terms are. See how the coefficients are. The first one is 1. The second one is 1 plus 2. The third one is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Like that, you will get the coefficients. Of course, the sign is minus. So, in the product of, so this is example, this is for your understanding sake I tell you. If you take 100 terms, the coefficient of x power 99. If you take 100 terms, you multiply 100 terms, the coefficient of x power 99. The coefficient of x power 99 must be 1 plus 2 1. Sorry. If you take one term, the coefficient is 1. If you take two terms, the coefficient is 1 plus 2. If you take three terms, the coefficient is 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you take 100 terms, the coefficient is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 100. So, the coefficient of x power 99 is, the sign is minus, friends, minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 100. This is equal to, this is formula, you know, n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 100 into n plus 1 by 2, 250s. This is equal to minus 5050. Minus 5050 is your answer, friends. Friends, you got it now? So, if we take only one term, the coefficient is minus 1. If you take two terms, the coefficient is minus 3. 3 means 1 plus 2. Here 1, here 1 plus 2, here 1 plus 2 plus 3. And if you take 4 terms, you will get minus 10 x cube. So, if you take 100 terms, you will get 1 plus 2 plus this on up to 100. So, minus 5050 is the coefficient of x power 99. Okay, friends. See, just here we are taking one term and observe the coefficient of x power 0. Now taken two terms and observe the coefficient of x power 1. And we have taken three terms. And observe the coefficient of x square. And on observation, we understood that the coefficients are 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. Okay, friends. Okay, let us take another problem. Friends, the coefficient of x power 9, in the expansion, x minus 1 into x minus 4 into x minus 9 so on up to x minus 100. Is. So we want the coefficient of x power 9 in this product. See, the problem is x minus, see, as we did in the earlier problem, we can do. Otherwise, see, x minus 1 square into x minus 2 square into x minus 3 square so on up to x minus 10 square. Let us see what will happen. If you take one term, here there are 10 terms, friends. Not 100 terms. Here there are only 10 terms. 10 terms are there. Asking the coefficient of x power 9. Now let us take two terms. And let us observe what the coefficient of x power 1 is. And let us take three terms and observe what is the coefficient of x square. So on observation, we can come to a conclusion. Okay, friends. If you take one term, that is x minus 1. If you take one term, the coefficient of x power 0 is x minus 1 into x power 0. That is equal to minus 1. If you multiply two terms, that is x minus 1 into x minus 4, x square minus x minus 4x minus 5x plus 4. So here we are multiplying two terms. when two terms are multiplied, what is the coefficient of x power 1? X power 1 is minus 5. And let us multiply the third term also. Let us multiply 3 terms. When we multiply 3 terms, we have to observe the coefficient of x square. So this is multiplied x square minus 5x plus 4 into x minus 9. We are multiplying 3 terms. And let us observe the coefficient of x square. See, x cube minus 5x square minus 9x square. So the coefficient of this is equal to x cube minus 14x square. So the coefficient of x square is minus 14. See, these are the coefficients we are getting. On observation of the coefficients, we can conclude this is minus 1 square. This is minus of 1 square plus 2 square. This is minus of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 9 plus 4 plus 1 minus 14. So here we are getting minus of the squares of natural numbers. So in the product of in this product, here there are only 10 terms, friends. In this product, the coefficient of x power 9. See, 1 square plus minus of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to 10 square. Minus of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to plus 10 square. This is equal to squares of natural numbers. Minus of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 3 2s, 3 7s, 2 1s, 2 5s. Minus of 55 into 7. 55 into 7 minus 385. Minus 385 is your answer, friends. So the coefficient of x power 9. Here, friends, you have observed now the coefficient of x square is this. The coefficient of x power 9 means the coefficient of x square is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So the coefficient of x power 9 will be minus of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square. That is your answer, friends. Minus of 385. So I hope you have understood the problem. Just you have taken one term and the product of two terms and the product of three terms. And observed the coefficients of we observe the coefficients are like 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, like that. So now let us see the next problem, friends. One by 1 factorial into 9 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial into 7 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial into 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial into 3 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial into 1 factorial is equal to 2 power n by 10 factorial. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? Simple problem, friends. Simple problem. This is the given expression. This is the given expression. So 2 power n. I am bringing this 10 factorial to this side. So 10 factorial by 1 factorial into 9 factorial plus 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial plus 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial plus 10 factorial by 7 factorial into 3 factorial plus 10 factorial by 9 factorial into 1 factorial is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. Left side terms, friends, is very clear. This is 10C1. 10C1. This is 10C1. 10C1. How do you write 10C1? NCR n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Right, friends? NCR. What is NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this can be written as 10C1. This can be written as 10C1. 10C1, how do you write 10C1? 10 factorial. 10 factorial by n minus r factorial. 9 factorial into r factorial. So r factorial is 1 factorial. So this expression is equal to 10C1. Friends, this is 10C3, right? This is 10C3, right? 10 factorial by 10 minus 3. 7 factorial into 3 factorial. Friends, the next is 10C5. This is 10C7. This is 10C9. That is equal to 2 power n. Nice, friends. See, left side, sum of odd binomial coefficients. Sum of odd binomial coefficients. NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 plus NC7. Sum of odd binomial coefficients, you know the formula. 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. So here n is equal to 10. This is the all this left LHS. All LHS will be reduced to 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n is 10. N is 10. 2 power n minus 1, 9. 2 power 9 is equal to 2 power n. Therefore, n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. Left side terms are odd binomial coefficients. Sum of odd binomial coefficients or sum of even binomial coefficients is equal to 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. Sum of odd binomial coefficients or sum of even binomial coefficients is equal to 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. So here n is equal to 10. So 2 and 10 minus 1. 2 power 9 is equal to 2 power n. N is equal to 9, friends. N is equal to 9. Okay, friends. Let us see this problem, friends. This is of course easy one. 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 into 4 by 1 into 4 by 4 into 8 plus 1 into 4 into 7 1 into 4 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12, 4 into 8 into 12 plus so on up to infinity. This is easy problem, guys. This is 1 minus x whole power minus p by q form. See friends, you know the expansion for 1 minus x whole power minus n. 1 minus x whole power minus n. What is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus n, friends? This is the expansion for 1 minus x whole power minus n. 1 plus nx plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus dash 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 up to infinity. Friends, this is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus n. 1 minus x whole power minus n. This expression can be written in this form. Let us see, friends. Let us see the given expression. 1 plus 1 by 4 plus, see friends, here I tell you one thing, this is 1 plus x whole power minus n expansion. Actually, this given expression is 1 minus x whole power, it will come into the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, where n is equal to p by q. So let us see one more step. What will happen if n is equal to p by q? What will happen if n is equal to p by q? So here I should write the expression for 1 minus x whole power minus p by q also. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q is equal to, let us put p by q in place of n. 1 plus p by q into x plus p by q into, here p plus p by q plus 1, that is p plus q by q. P plus q by q into x square plus so on up to plus infinity. This is equal to 1 plus p by q into x plus p into p plus q by here q square. So x by q whole square, and the next term will be this, friends, p into p plus q into p plus 2q into by 2 factorial, friends. X by q whole cube by 3 factorial so on up to infinity. So here our expression is going to come in this form. Our given expression is going to come in this form. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Let us see here. Just you can observe, on seeing the numerators, you can observe, you can conclude that the given expression is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. How the terms of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q? How the terms of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q? 1 plus p by q into x plus p into p plus q. P into p plus q by 2 factorial into x x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube and so on. So here the terms are like that, friends. 1 plus p into next p plus q, p into p plus q, next p into p plus q into 2p plus q, p plus 2q. Okay, friends. So the given expression is in the form of this expression. Let us see. One plus p by q, p1 and x by q is equal to 1 by 4. X by q is equal to 1 by 4. X by q is equal, p is equal to 1 and x by q is equal to 1 by 4 plus the second term. What should be the numerator? 2 factorial. 2 factorial. This is equal to p into p plus q, p into p plus x by q whole square. So if you take 2 factorial out, 8 4 so 32. So 2 factorial into 1 by 4 whole square, 1 by 4 whole square into p plus q. Here p 1 into p plus q. P plus q, that is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. P into p, this term is p plus q term. So and so on and so on. So here p is 1, q is 3, p is 1, q is 3 and x by q is equal to 1 by 4. X by q is equal to 1 by 4. X 3 and q 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 4. X is equal to 3 by 4. So, all this expression is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus x means 3 by 4. 4 minus 3, 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 by 3. 1 by 4 means 4 power minus 1. 4 power minus 1 whole power minus 1 by 3. This is equal to 4 power 1 by 3. So, the answer to this is 4 power 1 by 3 friends. 4 power 1 by 3 friends. So, if this expression is given like this, you should immediately realize that the given expression is in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. This is p. This is p. This is p into q. This is p into q. This is p. First term is p. This is p into p plus q. P into p plus q. This is p into p plus q into p plus 2q. The terms in the numerator are, friends, the terms in the numerator are, first is p. The second is p into p plus q. The third term is p into p plus q into p plus 2q. So, here p is equal to 1, q is equal to, this is p plus q. This is p plus q. P plus q is equal to 4, so q is equal to 3. X by q is equal to 1 by 4. X by q is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to, q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3. So, x is equal to 3 by 4. So, now the entire expression is equal to 1 minus x whole power